Yeah, I think that is perfect. So we have it now, right?
Welcome to the first page of the greenhouse dashboard. This is where your plant care journey begins. You have two options to start: plant new seeds or begin with an existing plant. If you're growing from seeds, you'll need to manually set the species using the Set Species button. This ensures the system tailors care recommendations to the specific plant type. But if you're starting with an existing plant, the process is more automated. Simply place the plant inside the greenhouse. The camera inside the greenhouse captures an image, and the system analyzes it to identify the species. In this example, the plant has been recognized as Coleus scutelarioides with 99% confidence. Once identified, the dashboard provides the best growing conditions, such as ideal light, soil type, and watering habits specific to that plant. The system also detects potential problems. Here, a disease related to water excess or uneven watering has been flagged with a probability of 20.55%. This kind of early detection can help prevent root rot and other common issues. This is the Control tab of the greenhouse dashboard. This is where you manage the core environmental systems of your greenhouse: heating, lighting, ventilation, and watering. At the top of the screen, you'll see four control inputs. These let you manually adjust the heater, toggle the lights, turn the fans on or off, and control the watering valve. Beneath the controls, you can choose your preferred mode of operation. The system supports three control modes: manual, autonomous, and care plan. In manual mode, you take full control, adjusting each control input directly. Autonomous mode uses artificial intelligence to manage the environment for you. You can choose from three advanced AI controllers: model predictive control, reinforcement learning, and large language model based controllers. These controllers automatically adjust the greenhouse conditions to match either user defined targets or intelligent recommendations derived from plant specific domain knowledge. In care plan mode, the system goes a step further. AI analyzes the plant's current state and recommends optimal environmental conditions to support its recovery or growth. Then, the same intelligent controllers, MPC, RL, or LLM, are used to maintain those recommended conditions. At the bottom, you'll find live graphs showing the recent activity of each system, helping you monitor performance and make informed adjustments.
Now switch on the light, switch on the fan, switch off the fan, and switch off the light. You can switch off the light and you can now switch on the light. And now you can switch on the fan. This solid line release water? Yeah. We can try. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Oh, it releases a lot of water. Is it closed now? Okay. So this is good.
Next is the Measurements tab of the Greenhouse dashboard. This tab allows you to monitor the real time state of your greenhouse environment. Key parameters such as temperature, humidity, soil moisture, CO2 concentration, light intensity, and water tank level are all tracked and displayed here. What you're seeing is a detailed temperature graph collected over time. The system uses multiple sensors optimally placed throughout the greenhouse in a 3D layout to give you a comprehensive view of the internal environment. You can toggle each sensor on or off to inspect specific areas or to compare readings across different zones. The Care Plan tab displays an AI recommended care schedule customized specifically for your plant based on its species and current health condition. What you see here is a timeline of future control actions for the greenhouse, automatically generated after analyzing real time data from the plant and its environment. The graphs show planned targets for temperature, watering, and light exposure across the coming days. These values are optimized to support the plant's recovery and growth. This feature allows you to capture and review on-demand images of your plant at any moment. With a single click on the Capture Image button, the system takes a snapshot of the plant, ideal for tracking growth, health, and visual changes over time. You can also compare plant snapshots from different time points using the drop-down menu. Simply select the desired timestamps to view side-by-side comparisons. This visual timeline is especially useful for monitoring gradual progress or spotting early signs of stress or disease that may not show. In the Mesh tab, you can generate a 3D model of your plant. By clicking Create New Mesh, the system scans the plant from all angles using a rotating platform, then uses advanced NeRF technology to render a detailed three-dimensional geometry. Here, you can explore a 3D reconstruction of your plant, generated from multiple images taken at different angles. This detailed mesh allows you to visually inspect the plant structure in 3 dimensions. You can rotate, zoom, and interact with the model to closely examine its shape and form. But this view isn't just for visualization. From the reconstructed geometry, the system can also estimate the plant's volume and calculate its growth rate over time. This capability provides a powerful, non invasive way to track physical development and detect subtle changes in plant health. This view presents a high resolution 3D reconstruction of the temperature and flow fields inside the greenhouse, generated on demand using sparse sensor data and advanced AI techniques. On the left, you can explore cross-sectional temperature slices by selecting the X, Y, or Z direction. Each slice reveals how temperature varies throughout the greenhouse space in fine detail. On the right, you'll see a full 3D volumetric map offering a dynamic view of thermal gradients and airflow patterns. These reconstructions are built from real-time sensor inputs using intelligent inference models.
And on the computer, is it okay now? Hmm? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, but just a second, I want the fence to be turned off. The greenhouse. Yeah. Okay.
Just we need to wait a little bit to see the greenhouse.
Because it didn't. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. There we go.
Yeah, now I think that's fine. Switch on.